Hey everybody, welcome back to We Can Do That. Today we're going to do a candy taste challenge blindfolded. So we've got 10 candies total. Each of them are going to try 5. After I give them to them, they're going to try and guess what the candy bar is. If they guess it right, they get a point. So whoever gets the most points wins. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, blindfolds on. I will show you guys first, and then I will let them try and taste test it. Okay, 1 second. Blindfolds on. Can you see anything?
No. But my eyes hurt when I try to open them.
Perfect. Okay, who wants to go first?
Me.
They both wish at the same time. Okay, we'll go Aiden first.
Yeah. I want it. I don't know what it's gonna feel like.
All right, take a bite. You got it.
Hershey's.
Okay.
Did I get it?
Next up is Kinley.
I'm scared. Mmm. I'm pretty
Open
sure
up.
that's Hershey's.
Open up. Take a bite.
Milky Way. Oh, you got a Milky Way.
All right, next. Aiden, you're up again.
Did I get a Milky Way?
Aiden got his right. You did not get yours right. Sorry, this one's difficult to open. No. All right. Open.
Scratch my nose. Whoppers. Sounds crunchy. It is. It's a Whopper. Whopper. I don't know what they're called.
Okay, next is Kinley. Are you ready, Kinley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Where is milk?
It might be chocolate.
You're talking rubber. Take a bite.
Oh. Mm. Chocolate Hershey's.
Okay, so far it's 2-0.
What was Kinley's?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
All right, we'll do.
I know what number I am.
This one's next. For Aiden.
I don't know what the candy is.
It's okay.
I love Milky Way.
You ready? Take a bite.
Ew. Sour Punch. Oh, I don't want anything sour.
Okay. Right.
Sour Punches aren't as bad as I thought.
Mmm.
Ah.
Okay. This one might get messy.
Uh-oh.
You ready? Open up.
Reese's.
Good job.
Oh, you got a Reese's? Did I get mine right?
Yep.
Yes. I know it
3
tastes like Reese's. What is in my
to
finger?
1.
Dad, what's on my thumb?
It's 3-1. Okay, Aiden's up again. Go. Right? What is it?
Crunch. Oh my gosh.
I don't understand. You don't even eat that much. Right.
I know, but I like candy. Num num.
Right, this one's for Kinley.
I don't like Reese's. Whoa. What'd you say?
You know, this one's gonna be tough to bite. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take a bite.
Sour Patch Heads. Sour Patch Head.
Nope. Try. Okay, we got
What is
two
it?
left. One each. This one's for Aiden. Is Aiden gonna get a clean sweep and get them all right? We'll see. This one's difficult. Open.
Ow.
Open.
Miniature Twix.
Nope.
Wait, what?
Okay, last one for Kinley. Ready? Alright, Kinley, you ready? Last one. This one's very unique. Think about what it tastes like.
What did he just feed me? A Kit Kat. No.
What? Try again.
Something with my favorite in it. What is it called again? Reese's with something in it. Reese's with Reese's with something
What's
in
your
it.
final guess?
Something green in it. Reese's with something green in it.
What's your final guess?
Uh-huh.
Alright, take up your blindfolds. Aiden, your last one was a Milky Way. Kinley,
What
those
the
are your
heck's a Milky
peppermint
Way?
patty.
Peppermint patty.
How did you guess Reese's from your peppermint patty? Alright guys, what did you think? Was that fun?
Yeah,
Aiden got 4. Kinley, did you get 1? 2? I think you get 1.
3.
I don't think you did.
No, I got 3.
Okay. Either way, Aiden, great job. You won. I'll try it again soon. Maybe some different kind of food.
What is a Milky Way?
It's like a Snickers.
Oh. You threw away all of them?
Tell them thanks and tell them subscribe.
Oh. Thanks. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.